Perfect. Perfect.
Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So yesterday I had a great wash day using all products that I got from Ulta. If you didn't see that video, of course I'll link it in the cards for you. And today we're going to style my hair using all products that I got from Ulta. After I rinsed out my deep conditioner yesterday, I went in with an oil for my scalp, and I went in with this 100% pure Haitian black castor oil from Kreyòl Essence. Sheree said this was a must try. They didn't have the original one. They were sold out, so I ended up getting this rosemary mint one, and y'all, so glad I did, because the tingle that was on my scalp was A1. If you like a good like tingling oil scalp situation, whether you're doing it like for a hot oil treatment or after you deep condition your hair or to pre-poo or whatever, nice, super nice tingle on this. It's really thick, so I'm gonna keep using this. I already love the tingle, but I want to see if I like it better than my Jamaican black castor oil. So after I oiled my scalp, I got real lazy and then just started chilling and watching TV, and here we are the next day, and I need to twist up my hair. As you can see, it's all dried out, so these products definitely got some work to do. Okay, so of course I'm gonna spray my hair down with some water. And I mean, my hair was dried out, honey. So definitely gotta bring it back. Bring it back. So for our leave-in, I'm gonna go in with this Kreyòl Essence Goat and Coconut Hair Milk. It says it's sulfate and paraben free. No mineral oils, phthalates, SLS, SLES, artificial dyes, or EDTA. It has aloe vera juice. It has shea butter, castor seed oil, coconut oil, glycerin, hydrolyzed silk protein, hydrolyzed wheat protein, and cannabis sativa. So those are a few of the key ingredients. So this says you can use it as a leave-in and a deep conditioner. It advises that you can add 10 drops of the Haitian black castor oil to it, and you can sit under the dryer for 15 minutes or 30 minutes with no heat. And if you want to use it as a regular leave-in, then you just use it as a regular leave-in, which is what we're going to do today. Okay, let's get into this leave-in. Okay, it's pretty thick. That's what it's looking like. It's a little thick, but nice and creamy. It has a really spicy smell. I definitely know I need to put more. I can't tell what ingredient is making it smell like this, but it's a real spicy smell, kind of reminding me of the Goddess Strength leave-in from Carol's Daughter, like that kind of smell. It doesn't smell good. Application of it feels okay, but my hair doesn't feel good. Like, it doesn't feel like it's soaking into my hair and giving me anything. It's not defining my hair or nothing. So like, is it even penetrating into my hair? Like, why is my hair so bushy after I put my leave-in on? Like, we'll see about the moisture, but so far I don't know. And so it just doesn't feel moisturizing. So if it ends up being moisturizing, I'll be surprised. So I'm gonna put this all through my head, give it some time to soak in, because I ain't really seeing no magic with this right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and we'll move on to the next product. Okay, y'all, so I got the leave-in all applied, and the application of it is okay. Like, the way it feels, like it does have like a decent amount of slip or whatever, but I just don't feel like it's soaking into my hair. Now we're gonna go in with the Melanin Twist Elongating Cream. I've had this for a while and need to go ahead and get it in, get to using it. I like this cream because it does lock in moisture pretty good for me. It has a really light hold, so of course I would need something with more hold on top of it, and that's where this POW gel is going to come into play. This is the POW gel from the Mane collection. This is the POW gel from the Mane Choice. If you haven't seen it before, it is like the purple one with the sparkles, and we're gonna use that for some hold. So let's see how our first one comes out. I'm gonna take a little bit of the cream and put that in, and hopefully whatever moisture we get from that leave-in will get locked in, because I am not a fan of that so far. Okay, and that's my hair with the butter. And then I'm gonna go in with the gel, and I'm just going in with like a little, and I'm just going in with like a little bit, like not a lot. And that twist elongating cream will help this from being crunchy, so it should be like just a nice hold. So that's our first twist, y'all. I'm pretty sure the products are gonna soak in like they normally do. I'm not worried about having flakes. But I've never used this leave-in before either. The other two products I have used before, but the leave-in I've never used before. So hopefully I won't get any flakes. I don't think I will, but we'll see. Okay, you guys, so I am back. It has been 5 days later, but I didn't have the twist out Friday. Girl, let me tell you. After I twisted up my hair the next day, my hair had hella flakes. Like, I'm talking TPH flakes type. Like, you know what? I'm going to leave them out of it. But it was flaky, girl. So I was like, I'm not even finna take these twists out. I'm just about to just leave them in until next wash day. And there we go. But I do have something to do. It's going to be dark where I'm going. So, you know, I ain't gonna trip. But it's still hella flaky. It could have been bomb. So y'all know what I'm blaming it on. This. This is a no ma'am for me. Y'all saw how it looked on my hair. Like, it wasn't even soaking in my hair, penetrating my hair, moisturizing my hair. This was just a hell to the no for me. It sounded good, but it just did not work out for me. Like, this is one of those I don't even know how, if I'm gonna finish using it. Like, I'm good for real. Now, their oil, I do like the oil. Glad I got the rosemary mint. Love the tingle on my scalp. It did make my scalp kind of itchy, but my scalp is kind of itchy with a lot of oil, so that's okay. The tingling feeling that it gave was nice and soothing. I usually don't like a dropper, but this is kind of thick, and I was getting used to the dropper with this one because of the consistency being so thick. You kind of pinpoint it and then rub it in. So that's what I was doing, so it wasn't bad. But I do like this and will continue to use this. So another reason why I'm blaming the leave-in on the flakes is because I've used this cream with another leave-in and a Mane Choice gel before, and it was popping. If you didn't see that video, I'll leave it in the cards for you. But Mane Choice gel with this worked totally fine. But y'all saw from jump, my base was whack. My foundation was whack from this. Other than that, it has like nice volume, nice definition and frizz and all that. And surprisingly, my hair isn't dry, which I thought it would be like desert dry, but it's not. It's like okay after, you know, for 5 days. It's like okay dry. It's not hella moisturized by any means, but it's decent, which I'm surprised about because this just was giving me, girl, I don't know where the moisture came from. The little bit that I have. So I hope you guys love my Ulta style day. Please like this video, comment, share, and of course subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one.